so MLG Pro, the sword's made a diamond, so come at me, bro. Running in your room under the torchlight all night long to get you ready for the big fights. Every single day on the whole night, creepers out prowling. Alright, look at me, look at you, take my revenge, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm a warrior, baby, what else is new? And my blade's gonna taste for you.
Baby, tonight, the creepers trying to steal our stuff again.
Yeah, let's take back the world.
Baby, tonight, have your sword, armor, and gold. Take your revenge. Fight like it's the last night of your life. Let's show them. 'Cause baby, tonight, creepers trying to steal our stuff again. 'Cause baby, tonight, grab your big shovel and bolt again. Until the sun comes up in the morning. 'Cause baby, tonight, there's creepers trying to steal our stuff again.
Oh, hey guys, happy April. Happy April. How's everybody doing? Oh my god, hi Cadenza. How was your outfit debut today? I saw some of it. It looked really, really good. It looked so good. Hi guys. What's up everybody? Happy April. Can you believe it? It's today. April is today. April's today. It's 7. Woo, rework, bro. It's like some springtime, bro. I love you. Hello, everybody. I can't believe I'm fucking doing this. Oh my god. Hi, Prince. Welcome in. Welcome into the stream, you guys. Regular stream today. You know, we're just playing some kind of speed run some Minecraft, actually. Regular day. Hi, Dylan. Dylan got first today. Hi, Gizmo. Yes, sir. Can we get a shout out for Shanola and Cadenza, please? How y'all doing? Well, I'm tired of this. Is entirely too happy. That's fair, our man. Go to bed. Go to sleep. Welcome in. Thanks for popping by also. I'm getting old. We're getting old. All right. Let's get the tunes rolling. Well, let's chat here. Let me get that going. Hey, there we go. How we feeling, chat? Good evening. Good evening. I mean, it's not too far out of the day though. Welcome! Hi guys, how are we? Craig, what's up? Robert, hello. Rarely welcome in. How we feeling? How we feeling, chat? I hope y'all doing good today. Thank you for showing up, everybody. Thanks for showing up for this Saturday stream, by the way. I never stream on Saturday. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I'm feeling normal. Welcome in. Welcome in, Cotton. How you doing? I got my popcorn. Cal, is it like the actual popcorn from the movie theater? Did you go out? Did you go out and get it? Because I'm kind of jealous. My eyes hurt. Why? Why do your eyes hurt? Do you need contacts? Do you need eye drops? Ow! Thank you for that, Craig. Ow, okay. Do you live in Australia? No, actually, I'm Canadian.
Good thing I'm super glued to this rock, or else I'd be falling right now.
Dude, but you know what? My name is Sydney, so I might as well be from Australia. Might as well. You went to Cineplex? Oh, let's fucking go. Bro, I'm jealous. I'm jealous. I do love popcorn. I find popcorn's a very weird snack.
What PSDNDs
What? Maury, you're being weird. You're being weird. I don't know what you're talking about. It's very weird. By the way, for this stream avatar.
Nu orget FFO dobbeltil tafstita gotlam zuteras no D. Milfotel bedlier zeba your on rate, noit iva foswal no wonkelele ot nidroka.
I'm actually used to you used to think I was from Australia? Really? I don't even have an accent. I don't even have an accent. That's really funny. That's so true, Maury. I don't even know what you said. By the way, if you guys put upside down text, I'm not gonna if it's like long, I'm probably not gonna read it because I don't have time for that. I mean, normal text, no upside down. Why are you guys typing so weird? Maury's a little scary today. From my name? You know what? That's fair. You know what? That is fair. That's funny. I like that. But yeah, please keep chat readable. That's all I ask for the mods and myself. Smile. Salmon, hello, welcome in. Salmon winning some muns right away here. Hi, Sierra. Oh gosh, what we got? Dylan! It's Dylan. I'm thinking about Dylan. Also, if you can hear some little jingles, I got my iced coffee right now. Welcome in, everybody. Happy weekend. Happy weekend. Welcome to my totally normal stream. Smile. Can we get a shout out for Overdrive, please? Iced coffee, Big Pog. Yes. Don't get upside down, bestie. Oh my God, Wise. Hi. Also, Jet. Jet, I saw you in here, Jet. Where you at? Where you at? How coffee is that ice? Hey, listen. The ice is actually very tiny because I had leftover coffee from this morning, so it kind of melted. Bing, 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 but it's really good. It's so good. This is so normal. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. How's everybody's weekend been? And has anyone else experienced any good April Fool's jokes today? No jokes here. No jokes here. I'm kind of boring like that. Parasitus? Rocket? VT? Hello, welcome in. Welcome into my normal stream. Happy April. Happy April. I don't do jokes. No, I'm not that funny. Sorry. Good? Y'all doing good? That's good to hear. Yeah, very normal. That's good. That is very good. That's Sonic. Dude, this Sonic? Okay, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be real. I think, what is it? Sega. I think Sega won April Fool's this year with all that. I think it's funny as fuck. I'll probably play it, just not on stream. I feel like as soon as that shit came out, everybody ran to their Twitch and started streaming it. It was really funny. It's been a roller coaster. Prince! It totally has been, and I'm happy you're here, dude, to hang out with us today. I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see you here. My body pulled a April Fool's on me this morning. No, cow! Ma'am, oh my God. Pacific guys, I have to go to work. No! Just prank them, Cotton. Just don't go to work. Just don't go to work. Easy. You want to smooch? Yeah, I can do that. I can do that for you. Where you at? Let me find you in here. What's your shark? What sharky are you? I gotta find you. I love April Fool's jokes. No, same. I love it when they're actually not jokes. Like when they don't hurt anybody. They're honestly just kind of funny. Cotton, I found you. I found you. Me. Where you at? This is difficult. This is so difficult. Mwah! There you go, Bean. You should probably try to teach yourself how to speak backwards. I will not. There's people who actually do that. And it's insane. That's like a hidden talent, or like really, really dedicated talent. You know what I mean? I could never. I could not. I can do like words when I like think about them. People are getting pissed off. Wait, some dude made a fake Transformer reveal. Oh, really? Oh my god. I despise it. Other than that, oh, that's fair, Gizmo. I'm glad you're doing good. Barry in chat. Welcome in. Welcome in. We love the funny jackalope here. Why is the fucking hamster emojis? I didn't do any jokes, but I pranked my parents last year by saying, oh! Oh, really? That's funny. That's harmless enough. That's harmless enough. April Fool's is kind of like a interesting, I guess you could call it a holiday. It's an interesting holiday because people do play harmful jokes, and for people who don't really like pay attention to the day's date, it can kind of hurt people. So I'm not about those ones. I love the company, the funny like corporate jokes. Give me like fake products, you know? Give me fake products. Give me like fake reveals. I love that shit. I can say boobs backwards. Spoob. Hi, Void! Void is launching. There is a secret platform for any avatars if you guys want to jump around today. Yeah! Spoobs! I hope everyone's doing good this weekend, though. It's very nice out today for me. There's SpongeBob tier April Fool's list. Yes! Also, hi, Zellos! Welcome in. Welcome in. I did too. They're probably trying to... I love it. By the way, we do have one way you can get me to flip around is if anybody does redeem the get rotated redeem. That's one way. And I'll keep myself a little longer on that one if it does get redeemed. But that's the only way that I will get flipped. Not adding the S. Cal! That's like a hacking. It's hacks. Hacks. That's what I'm saying. By the way, we are gonna try, so you know how I play Minecraft? I play Minecraft occasionally on the channel. It's like... Oh! Ha! Joke's on you! I can't read that, so it doesn't count. Hi, Clown. I love you. I love Clown. You get that essay going, boy. Joke's on you. I can't read, so... I hope everyone doing good. Yeah, April Fool's stuff like... Oh! Thank you, Joe. Also, hi, Joe. Welcome in. Oh, good God. Wow. Wow, Cal. I ate you? Why you ate me? She ate me, so you date me. Hi, chat. I'm like flipped now. You don't see this often. Inverted shark sided doesn't exist. Thanks for the biddies, Cal. So we're like this for a little bit. I'm trying to write so hard. That's fine. That's fine. You want tail wiggle? Sure. We're all over the place today, it feels like. There you go. Sighted shark. I hate that. I hate that. Me and Clown actually did a combo. You did! You guys can combo.
SPAKINGOFBACKWARD.
Oh my God.
CANYOUSAYBACKWARD. Shark. Creeper. And Pokemon Stunseed.
What? Huh? I'm very... The TTS does not like the fancy language. No, he can't. He's not that.
Mining away, I don't know what to mine. I'll mine this anyway.
Oh my God, he's singing. He's singing. Yeah, if you guys wanted to use the TTS, just use normal text because he will not say the fancy stuff. He'll say the backwards.
Speaking of backward, mother, can you say backward, shark, creeper, and Pokemon Stunseed?
No, I'm reading that backwards right now, and I'm not gonna D's nuts myself. Weiss. I see you.
Dopu punioso bob codes los.
Hi, Viper. How are you? How is Viper today? Can we get a shout out for Viper, please? Hi, Jet. You silly. I'm a... Oh, no. But yeah, welcome in, you guys. Thank you for showing up to this normal stream.
I'm a creeper, Minecraft's Grim Reaper. I'm illiterate, guys. Don't give me the fancy fonts. They hurt my pea brain. I'm sorry, I've been possessed, mother.
He doesn't have a pea brain. Don't be mean to him. Don't be mean. Oh my goodness. Maury, it's okay. It's just a little confusing, that's all. Hey! Hey! Smeeg! Smeeg, give Smeeg the big
She's
shout out.
right.
Oh!
I have a poo brain.
Oh! Did I get dinner boned? No. Smeeg, I don't know what you're talking about. This is a normal stream. You're being silly. Can we get a big ass shout out for Smeeg, please? Smeeg! I love Smeeg! Ow! Bonk coming in with the bonk. Very on par.
Mine diamonds, mine diamonds.
I'm Bonk. How are you today? Guys, did you know that there's a Club Penguin like esque remix coming in? Ow! It's called like Parrot something. I don't remember what someone put in the chat. I know you do. You're so silly. Smeeg, don't you stream today too? Or am I thinking of another day? I'm just resting today. Bonk's human Bonk is resting today. It's on the other side. I hate it here. What do you mean it's on the other side? Oh, you're talking about. Ow! You're talking about the cliff. Yeah, you guys. Viper! Oh my goodness, dude! Oh, in 3 hours? Cool. Hell yeah. Well, I'll be there.
This is just as normal as the other streams I have been to for the past 15 plus months. B1 Pern
Oh,
Heart.
Viper, you're so sweet. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Thank you for the 15 months! Resub. God bless, dude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ow. Oh. Thanks for the lurk, Joe. Oh shit, pop off, queen. Hi, Iron. Void says sling. Pop off, Isabel. By the way, you guys, it is April, so bit and sub badges have reset. Just so you'll know. Oh God! Yeesh! Oh, goodbye, Isabel. Thank you, Queen. Thank you for the biddies, bro. Oh! Let's go! Isabel! Yar! I like that one. I need to make that one bigger. That is one of the videos I need to edit. I have some more I need to add. Viper! Bruh! Oh my God, Viper! You fucking! Thank you so much! Thank you so
Another
much!
bit badge and a hype train. The train is leaving the station. All aboard.
10K! Bro, the train is almost leaving the station. We need one more individual to do bits or sub. But thank you so much! And you got the 10K! Let's go! I don't remember what emote the 10K unlocks. But thank you so much! I forgot my sub counted for. Oh, that's okay. I'm sure one of the sillies in chat will do one. If y'all want. If y'all want. Y'all gotta snipe the people without subs. That's what you gotta do. Thank you so much! Bro. There you go. Bit badge obtained. Oh, fuck! There it is. Oh, you got the gun. Let's go. Rarely. You're okay, V. Don't even worry about it. Thank you. Munda. Thank you for the beast bits. And we got a level 2 hype train. Well, y'all know what that means. Y'all know what that means. God fucking damn. Let's get it going. All right. Mr. Beast. I love Mr. Beast. I don't actually, but I do enjoy the memes. I do enjoy the memes. Use the last 5 bits before I turn. Oh, yes, that's right. That is totally right. That is right. Also, Prince, Thank you again last time for that tier 3 sub, I believe. Yeah, last stream. Oh shit!
Kitchen is so hard.
It's meme time, baby.
Only there was an easier way.
Meme time.
New kitchen gun. Sparkles like new. Yeah, all clean again. Sparkles like new. I love you, kitchen gun. Just 3 shots from kitchen gun.
Bro!
Say goodbye.
Oh, we chilling today. We jamming! I love it!
Sparkles like new.
Thank you so much, Jet, for the kitchen gun. I love that one. I love my bit redeems so much. By the way, I was gonna add a new one. Do you guys know that video where it's that man walking through like an aisle of refrigerators, and he just kind of walks up to the camera and he goes, I love refrigerators. And then it ends. And that's it. I'm gonna add it. That's what I'm gonna add it. High dimensional. Happy April. It's a normal stream today. Oh my god, hi Ractoony. Okay, Jet, me too. I wanted a Forb so bad, and I was almost there for every entry. I tried. I was lurking big time. But I want to get a Forb. I hope Hoons does another event like that. That was super fun. Can we get a big shout out for Ractoony, please? Rack, hi. How y'all doing tonight?
Shark.
Oh boy, what's on the mind? Germa, great. How else would it be? Rack, hi Bean, how are you? I hope you had a good day. Yes, Smeek, I'm gonna add it probably after stream today or this weekend. I will. And yes, I love refrigerator. It's a hood classic. It is. Hoons wants to do more. That was so much fun. It is. Also, Gungeon is fun too in general. I watched a lot of Gungeon in the past because Dylan 100% that game. Fucking great. Also, you guys go follow Ractoony. Ractoony is such a sweetie. They are very talented and they're a Ractoon tuber. Like, how could you not? It's been good just chilling. That's good to hear. That is great to hear. I'm so glad. That's great. Heck yeah. Well, we're just chilling today too. I'm gonna be playing Minecraft very shortly here. We're gonna be like speedrunning the game. You guys know how I do, right? I have a very special skin on too for today. It's a classic, if you will. I love it. Hell yeah. Yeah. So we doing that. Also, yeah, Jet, I love Hoons. Okay, actually, wait, shout out to Hoons, please. Hoons just recently had their 1K celebration like last night. It was really fun. It was really good. And the whole idea of them, they did an art raffle. Oh, what's Hoons' username? Is it Hoons Art? Don't worry, Prince, because I'm not too sure of it either. It is Hoons. Oh, okay. Yes, that's right. That's right. But yeah, Hoons was doing a little birthday. Was it birthday? No, it was just 1K. 1K celebration, and then they drew like people from a draw to be little frogs, and then they added it to their throwing redeem for like them to be thrown around. And I think that was super smart. It was super cute. Oh. 10th! Oh my god! What's up? Hey, there we go. 10! Ashley!
Suolo 0L.
Welcome in. Thank you for the 20 months. Bro, you wildin'. You wildin'. Welcome in. Thank you so much. Right on the tip of the hype train too. Thank you so much, Bean. Oh my god. Maybe I'm the April Fool. No, you're fine. You're fine. I love my mods. Alright, thank you for the hype train, you guys. You're so sweet. Oh my god, hi Zorn. Oh, Zorn, rip Zorn sub. Zorn is subless. Point and laugh. Just kidding. I love Zorn. Ashley, what's up? What's really wild is my sleep schedule. Oh no. Of course you're working, Zorn. I hate this guy. Wait, I saw Chris in the beginning as well. Baby Lickety, hi, Bean. Welcome in. Oh my gosh, can we get a shout out for Baby Lickety, please? How are you tonight? Hi, B. Ow. Oh, Cal, thank you. Hi, Kendall. Kendall, do you prefer Kendall? Let me know, because then I'll call you by your preferred name. All right, we're switching back to some low tunes because the hype train is over. Thank you for the hype train as well. Hi, Nico. Which side am I supposed to watch this? Yes. Welcome in. All right, back to chilling for a little bit. That's fine. Okay, good. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hi everybody. I hope y'all doing good. Welcome in for those who are just coming in. Just normal stream today. You know, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Pretty average stream. Nothing new. I mean, we did have some new stuff last time, which was a brand new emote, which is Sharks 20 Noms, which is super cute. Love it. I love that emote so much. The mods are fighting once again. Average day. Everything is fine. Yeah, totally fine. No issues. No. Oh. Who's throwing a beach ball? Goddamn. I do have my coffee, which is almost done, and then we're gonna get to speed running chat. I think we can do it today. I think we can do it. There's nothing like sipping an iced coffee out of a straw, a metal straw. Oh my god! Hi, Robin. How's Robin tonight? I'm rooting for you, Queen. Oh, that missed. Oh, ow. Chris. I almost fat fingered. That ended up saying hi, corn. You know what? You can do that. That's fine. Zorn's used to that. You can do that. Robin, what's up? They are. I have a metal straw because, you know, they're reusable and they're clean. They're easy to clean. Use reusable straws. At least if you're at home. It's a much smarter purchase idea. But hi everybody. I hope y'all are doing good. By the way, if you want to see this ongoing joke, feel free to join the Discord. The entire Discord has been flipped around as well. Well, not entire. I was not dedicating that much time into it. Does this work? Yes. Melt them into utensils. Wait, so true. What ongoing joke? Yeah, you're right. You're right, Zorn. There's no jokes today. I already told the chat. There's no jokes today. I don't know why everyone thinks like I don't get it. There's nothing weird going on, okay? I have a metal straw. I don't know where it is. That's the thing too. You got to keep them either in the utensil drawer or I don't know, where else would you put them? I have them in a little cup beside the sink though. So this is how it's always been. This is just how my streams are. Yeah, I don't know, man. Maury's fine. Maury's chilling. That's really good. It's really good. Did you see it? That's me. Yeah, Cal, you're up there. You actually got up there. That's surprising. Because I feel like all of the all the like directions are like backwards. It's kind of funny. I hope somebody raids me today. This is gonna be such a mess. Oh my god. Oh, should we get to speedrunning? I don't know how long I'm gonna be. Bro, why are you so upside down? I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. Hey, welcome in. Welcome in. It's so normal today. No. That's fair, Cal.
I'm fucking crying. God damn.
Oh my god, hi Jenkins! Welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Sorry, I'm just gonna finish my coffee. I want to speedrun my coffee before I speedrun the game. Alright, we're gonna put on some tunes. I didn't plan anything for April Fools because I just have some genuine stuff to talk about. Yeah! No, that's totally fair. Which I think is kind of funny. Because everyone's gonna be like, oh, it's a joke day. It's so funny. I love it, Smee. That's gonna be fun. That's gonna be chill. Yeah. Yeah, everything's upside down. No, everything isn't upside down. I don't know why you're talking upside down. Also, I said this at the beginning of stream, if anybody could refrain from actually using that text, it just makes things easier for me and my mods. If despite it being in thematic, I do appreciate people wanting to be thematic, but yeah, it's just really hard for me. April Fool's already passed. Oh, you know what? That's fair. That's fair. There's no jokes here. There's no jokes here. Okay, I think it's time for some game time. Let me just quickly. Let's see what I can do on this side. I might have to quickly change something because I think I don't have my capture correctly. We'll be fine. Let me just, you might just see my VTube studio real quick. Plot twist, nobody said, that's true. Weiss? Weiss, that's fine. Okay, let's put on some music. What should we listen to right now? I'm gonna just start with some, we could do some old Nintendo stuff. That's always good. Hi, Inchick, how are you? Can we get a shout out for Inchick, please? All right, let's do this. I love this old Nintendo. Yar! That's some good beats. Good beat type beat. Okay, hold on. Hold on, chat. Let me. Baby. How am I gonna do this? I gotta figure out how to. I'm great! Bro, I'm great. Whatever's going on, I'm doing so good. I'm doing so well, thank you for asking. I'm going for dinner after this. We're big chilling today. We're big chilling today. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be real good. All right. Let me just quickly do this. Set up a little bit. Good! Okay, I'll be back. Yeah, no problem, Dimensional. Thanks for the lurk.
Good evening, chat room.
Good
The
evening.
blood is not rushing to my head. Smile.
Alright, let me quickly do some of this, that. I'm just setting up for the Minecraft! Okay, let me get this here. Where's all my stuff? Where's all my things? Is the music good? I think it's good. Is it too loud? It should be fine. It should be okay. Maybe we'll switch to dream speedrunning music. It's not. Oh, get ready for when I start playing the game. Oh my god. You just get ready. God. Get yourselves ready. Oh boy. Alright. Here we go. Oh wait. Okay.
Mother,
Yes?
if I eat the entire chat room, is that considered April Fool's? I'm hungry and I think it's well deserved.
Yes. That should be fine. That should be totally fine. Alright, hold on a minute. Let me adjust that. I'm trying to I'm trying to do something here that's funny. I might have to do some settings right side up though. That's my only issue. We might have to quickly switch to something to. We might have to.
Nom nom crunch munch nom nom delicious. Thank you, mother.
All right, now we're good. We're good. Let me just do this. That. Oh, sweet. It's so weird seeing your Really? Why? You always see the fin on my head. I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about. Alright, you're gonna see my VTube studio for a second. I'm just making sure regardless of if I'm upside down. It's fine. Okay, wait, hold on. It's fine. Okay. I do. No, but specifically on this side, that's fair. That's fair. Do you guys see what my skin is? It's very thematic, I think. I think it's very thematic. I think Minecraft. Oh my god, wait, hold on. I'm gonna be black screen again real quick. Okay, sorry. Sorry about that! I want to kill you because I think we need better music. Hold on. No, I think I want to do the. No, it's fine. We'll just wait a little bit. We'll wait a little bit. This is an interesting start. It's good though. It's good though. It's fine. It's all. What do you mean it's upside down? It's fine. It's fine. This music is so slow. I'm just gonna switch to something not very slow. I'm so. Oh my god, I can't. What do you mean? That's what I said, man. Everything's fine. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what y'all are talking about. Oh, I have the perfect I have the perfect music. Hold on. I have the perfect music. By the way, chat room, if you don't get I'm trying to. I'm gonna speedrun. I'm gonna speedrun. Did Dream actually get, like, what's the word? Did he get, like...
What are you weirdos talking about? Everything's just like it should be.
Did Dream get actually, like, banned from speedrunning? Because he pulled all that shit with that weird Blaze mod, right? Ow! Maybe I'm just tripping. He cheated. Well, I know why he cheated, but did he get, like... Did he get, like, what's the word? Like, not canceled, but, like... banned from the speedrunning community? Or, like, he can't do it again? Why is Maurice so low? I don't know. I still haven't, figured out why he's quiet. I might have to fix him. Because he definitely is more quiet. I could adjust the volume. Slightly. I think he did cheat! He did cheat because he was using a, plugin / mod that allowed blaze drops to happen more frequently. But I don't know what the term is. I can't remember. I know he cheated though. He cheated with that blaze thing. But that was it! That was the only thing, but regardless, it's cheating. I'm good. I'm glad we spawned near village. That's always go. We need wheat? I don't need that. Alright. The only reason why...
The blood is rushing to my head.
Gladius, hi! Maury, what do you mean? Who's cheating? Dream. Dream cheated in the speedrunning community. I need the bread! Dream cheated in the speedrunning community, that's why. And I don't know if he got, like, permabanned or something. I don't remember. Yeah. But I'm just wondering if you got banned from, like, actually submitting runs anymore or not. I think probably. More bread! We need the beds though, but we'll get those. I guess we'll get that right now. For the Ender Dragon, that's the Ender Dragon strategy. Apples? Don't need potato. I hope everyone's doing good today. Has anyone else seen any other streamers' funny stuff today? I know some people that I mod for did brand new model reveals. I don't know how you can do that. That's a very big commitment. That's a very big commitment to get completely different models for today. I guess the more popular VTubers can do that, because obviously they can just get people to make them. But like VTubers are around my range and stuff like that. That's crazy, and I respect that. I respect that hustle. Paper, I'll take this, I guess, as a treat. What song is this, by the way? Actually, it's called Trance, I believe. Is it Trance? It's Trance Music for Racing Game. That's literally what it's called. Or it is also called AKA the Dream Racing Music that he uses in his Manhunt videos. Trance? No. Well, yes. Trance with a C. Ooh, some free booties? Some pants? Give me that. I'll take it. There's nothing else in here. This is a pretty big village. Paper is a treat? No, a compass. A compass. A streamer did a face reveal? Void, what did that entail? What did that entail? Was it like just another VTuber? Or was it like something else? That sounds really funny. I don't think I've ever fully, thoroughly listened to this music. So we got like some good shit. We got a lot of supplies actually. We did have a little bit. Oh,
Little baby man.
another V. Oh, it was another VTuber. Oh, that's so funny. Baby man. Hi, Riley. Oh my God, water? I'll give you that tail wiggle in a little bit. I promise. How you doing tonight, Bean? Welcome in. Welcome into my stream. Totally normal. Oh, fuck. Fucking tag team, baby. I just finished ripping up weeds in my garden. Was it fun? I feel like gardening, especially weeding, is a very like, oh, damn it. What's the word? It's very, oh fuck! Ah! It's very satisfying. And I hope it was that. I just need a little bit of coal. Therapeutic, that too. Get him, get his ass. Nice, thank you. Yeah, therapeutic is another one I'm thinking about. I don't have a garden though. Where I live, when I moved, I did not have a garden anymore. Cody! Yo, rip weed. Hey, yo. Cody, what's English, buddy? Hi, Cody. Welcome into the stream. Nothing so relaxing as little as creative destruction. Exactly. I don't know. That's something I enjoyed when I was back in my parents' house. My family had a front and a giant backyard. So every like springtime, it would be weeding. Especially if you get the entire weed all in one go. That's my favorite part. That's my favorite part. It was very satisfying. Gonna be planting forget-me. Oh, cute! Oh my god, sunflowers. Dude, I hope you have enough room for sunflowers because they can get big, but it's so worth it. Get some blocks. Alright, we gotta find like nether stuff. I'm gonna go down here and take a look around. Hey, yo. Secret tunnel? There is nothing down here. Great! Great! Alright. Also, ma'am, when you tell we got any confirmation on something, I messaged you. Oh, okay. I'll take a look at that in a sec. Be-doo, beep, be-doo, be-doo. You have a huge backyard? Oh, that's satisfying. That is satisfying. Oh, Lord. All right, Cal. Thank you. What the hell? Thanks for the like, Zorn. Have a good rest of your time at work, dude. I appreciate it. I appreciate you. But Riley, I'll get to your redeems maybe after. I just can't, like, I'm just in the zone, you know? But I can still absolutely chat. I want to get all this fucking bread. I like, that's so much bread. So much bread. Alright. We're gonna stock up. We also got a good amount of iron, so we can get bucket. We can get the iron tool. You're getting a cat or a dog? Bro, get both. Okay, I'm making a shield this time because so many people have told me that when I go to the nether, I don't ever use a shield, but I think we're gonna change it up today. We're gonna change it up today. Oh. Oh, guys, you know what some of my favorite April Fool's stuff is? Oh, hi, Snake, welcome in. When games do April Fool's stuff. So, certain games I know, like The Binding of Isaac, Nuclear Throne. Oh, thanks, Cal. And like other games, they put funny stuff or they implement funny stuff. And I love it. I love it because Minecraft used to do a few of them. Minecraft's April Fool's joke isn't that great this year. It's just fire. You don't like that? Hell no. That's fine. I like it when they're silly. If they actually affect the gameplay, then maybe, yeah, maybe not. But I like it when they do little stuff because it's really cute. You can't get both, either a cat or a dog. Oh, you know what? That's fair. That's fair, Riley. I'll give you that. Bro, I was just downloading a game and I called it, played a ton called Hunt Showdown. Oh yeah, I know Hunt Showdown. Oh, did they do anything or no? I feel like it's a lot of like indie games do stuff like that. But yeah, otherwise, it's kind of like, otherwise not so much, right? The ones I know, like Binding of Isaac, they have daily runs, which they can customize if they want. So then they can change it. Then that's when they can change it. You're taking Chris. I love Overwatch's joke this year. Wait, that's right! I haven't actually fully seen it, Riley, but I know what you mean because I saw a TikTok about it. Yes. That's the shit I like. That's the kind of stuff I like. Hell yeah. Oh, by the way, mods, if you want to throw on like a battle royale or like a boss battle, feel free. Absolutely feel free to get the chat entertained. All right, back down into the mines. Oh god, I was gonna crush my gravel, bro. What is this? Okay, here we go. Freaking bats! I love Halloween. I love Halloween. There's a market in my city. Oh, a child. There's a oh, Cal, you have to put easy, normal, or hard after it. Or that. That works too. If you guys want to join the boss battle in chat, do exclamation join mage, priest, or warrior. And you have to stay in chat and be active if you want to contribute. Let's just hope. I mean, you did fight the pumpkin before. You did fight the pumpkin and you did beat the pumpkin. So, I don't think the pumpkin's too much of an issue anymore. I like Diva's VIP. Ah! Riley, I love that. Yeah, if you join the boss battle, make sure you stay in chat. And then when you do your attacks, all you have to do is press 1, 2, or 3 and type it in chat. And then if you do one that includes a person, just add their name after 1, 2, or 3. It's pretty easy. It's pretty good. Maximum wages. Yeah, you guys can win about 500 gold from a boss battle. And then you can afford any kind of sharks. Also, sorry I'm not using torches. I'm just running. I'm just running. We're gonna get tons of iron this time. That's something I always never do. I don't usually do. Void, make sure you put priest, warrior, or mage after. If you want to join. There's nothing down there. Okay. Sick! There's so many creepers, I know. I'm getting low.
If you want to join the fight, exclamation mark join and then the class, whether it's priest, warrior, or mage.
Yar. It's P. It's P. Cause punch. No, so true. And I find doing the bosses, like, if you're just doing damage, I hear a witch. If you're just doing damage, then like the fight can go pretty easy. I think yeah, I think Lacrozy did. All right, gamers, where are we going? We need lava. I think I see some right over there. Hey! This is good! This is really good! Your doggy keeps oh, it is the pumpkin. Uh-oh. It's the fucking Pumpkin King again! Doggy! Why is your doggy? Oh, the fuck, another one? Another one? Please. Bro, please. Get, please! Get the fuck out of here. You too. I'll use my axe this time. More damage. There we go. Pumpkin again. Alright, we're gonna clear out this area because I can't work in these conditions. I cannot. I can also change the music anytime. Straight up vibing. I'm gonna just clear out these. Arrows are good too. You know what? If I can get arrows. Oh! We're pretty set though. I don't remember why Pumpkin King is so hard. I think it's because he has some really, really nasty attacks. And that's why. Nasty attack, man. I think he does a lot of burning damage, doesn't he? I can't remember. Oh, he does one. Does he one shot? I don't think I've ever seen him one shot, but alright, I'm gonna do some more monsters. Wee wee wee. The skeleton after you, baby. 100. What? Where is HM, by the way? I have not seen HN here today. HM! Guys, I'm doing a collab next week. I'm so excited. I'll probably talk about it after stream today. Pumpkin King can do one shot, so you need protection. Oh, shit! Oh my god. Oh, they're gonna yeah, get it! That was lucky. No pearl, though, because they blow him up. Ah! Owie! Oh my god, ice cube! It just kind of stayed on my head. Ow! Oh, thank you. Vareska, hello, welcome in. I hope you're well. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to my totally normal stream. Oh, I love that emote. Hello, hello. Oh God, I'm getting distracted. Run! Ah! Welcome in. The chat is doing a boss battle right now.
Why am I on the ceiling?
You're not. What do you mean you're not? You're not on the ceiling. This is a totally normal stream. I don't know what you're talking about. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to the stream. You know what? If we can get pearls this early, that could be a strat. I just gotta be careful. Endermen do a lot of damage. Oh! Swag. Yeah, the chat's just doing a boss battle against a giant pumpkin. Pretty average day. Also, hi Rose! Hi Bean! How are you? How you doing? I love Rose. I thought the Slender Man what? That's not a Slender, that's Enderman. Alright, having a lava pool here is very, very good. Rose is in chat! Yeah! Okay guys, we're gonna do the best Minecraft portal ever. I need a Rose! Oh my god! Thank you, Bean! What am I trying to do here? God damn, there we go. Oh, with the 19 months! I couldn't handle not being oh, you're so sweet! Well, thank you for 19 whole months. Holy camole. Rose, you're crazy. I love you. Thank you so much for that resub. Enjoy the emotes. Oh, alright. Oh my god, hi, Andy! I don't know what you're talking about. Everything's fine. Everything is a-okay. Am I? Yeah, nothing's going on. Nothing's weird. My head. Oh no! Hi. Well, welcome in. Oh my god! Doing this at nighttime is not the best idea, but I guess we can collect more stuff. Oh! Rose, thank you so much again. I appreciate you. Y'all are beating up that pumpkin. Keep the pressure on him. This messes my head so bad that you don't have to stay. I appreciate you popping in though. All right, I'm not gonna fuck this up. I fucked it up. What the hell? I fucked it up. God, oh my god. It ate my water. Yeah, I went hard on this. I went very, very hard on this. Hi, Corgi! Welcome in. How y'all doing? Okay, we're not gonna fuck this up again, I promise. Oh! A word! Never much. It's fine, guys. It's fine. We're chill. We're chill. We still have some lava left. It's okay. Oh, thank you, Andy. You gotta commit to the bits, you know? Alright. Let me do this. Give me... There we go. Okay! Perfect! I need one on the bottom. I need to get that bottom one because I put wood there. There we go. No, I need... Oh god, my house is... My cover is burnt. Oh my god! Alright, well, every fucking time. You guys have the pumpkin down to about halfway. That's really good. That's really good. I need to put this water, I need to composite it elsewhere. I need like a whole water block. Let me just get a fucking hole. There we go. There. Now I can get my floor. Perfect. Fuck this pumpkin, bitch. He's scowling at Weiss. Is the scowl like the thing that's ticking off that he's gonna do the big attack? Cal is going 1 kilometer. Wait. Weiss is confused at the moment. Alright, hold on. I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do my, you know, signature portal build. Ah! We're fine. We have lava still. We have enough. Weiss is being targeted. Yeah! The big pumpkin. Oh! There it is. Holy shit! Oh! Hello? Oh my god, that was you guys. Weiss fucking got disintegrated. Oh my lord. Do you guys even have a priest? Uh-oh. Oh no, bro. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna continue building this really insanely scuffed portal. Please, there has to be more lava. Oh, bless! Whoa! Oh, you were the priest. Oh no. Oh no, bro. There we go. GG's. No, you guys! Oh! At least this was a free battle, a free boss battle, because I think Cal redeemed it. Oh, that's not gonna... Guys, I made a cobblestone generator! Oh, okay, shit, I gotta move this water. Let me just... I'll just do that one, easy, that one's fine. I need to get some more lava, thank you! Oh! Where's my water source? I don't even... I gotta, like, build up and around. I can't... Oh, okay, that works. Ow! Hey! That scared me. Do I have any more sources? Please! I need one more! I'm just gonna like sneak this. Give me that. Give me, oh, god damn it. I gotta like time this right. There we go, okay. Banger! Okay, we're gonna do this. Oh. Speed, baby! Oh, fuck. Oh, we did it! Alright, it's another time. Do I need to get fire? I could try the good old plank strat. You can see. We don't really have time to get flint. Where's my bucket? Oh, there we go. Nice try. Guys, I'm sorry. Yeah, the Pumpkin King, I have more than just the Pumpkin King involved in there. But he showed up twice. You want to know something y'all can win? A battle royale. Let's go. Okay, we're gonna try the good old-fashioned wood trick. I'm gonna try to find some better music. I'm kind of sick and tired of this song now. Dee-dee-doo-dee-doo-doo. Alright. I want, like, good Nintendo music. I'm just, like, looking on the side of what's I have available here. While I kind of figure out how this... I'm just waiting! I need to figure out... I don't have a flint and steel. Maybe I can't kill Pumpkin King, but other viewers, yes. They did it on, Thursday. You guys killed Pumpkin on Thursday. I think that was a good lucky draw. Hi, Vegan! How are you? Oh, maybe Kirby music. I like Kirby. Enchik1! Let's go! Nice! Alright, hold on. Kirby. Oh, another boss fight from Weiss! Alright, you guys. If you guys want to participate in another boss fight, do exclamation join priest, warrior, or mage. Hey, Scaling Man, come here. Blood! Join the fight! Join the fight! Oh! You gotta do exclamation join, priest, warrior, or mage. Alright, we're gonna get some Kirby music going on this. I want some Kirby. I love Kirby. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Another one! Y'all get another one! Let's go! Ow. I'm looking for gravel, by the way. This is probably the best option. Did I not? Oh. Have you ever heard of Tulip? What's that? Oh, another one! How many baby zombies am I gonna run into? I swear to God. What are we doing? What's going on? You guys are fighting a boss. Yes, the gameplay. It's all. Is a PS2 game with very— oh, cute! Okay, I'll have to check that one out too. I want— this is not what I'm thinking. This is not the— oh wait, here we go. Give me this. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, I could do Mario Kart stuff too. I love Mario Kart music. I'm gonna make it just a little loud because we're vibing anyway. Yeah, if you guys still have time to join the boss, exclamation join priest, warrior, or mage. You have to stay in chat to participate. Okay, I'm gonna try and find some stuff here. Oh, you found Arceus! Arceus is very doable. Arceus ain't too bad. I have 1 Ender Pearl. That's a good up. That's a good start. This is fine. This is fine. Alright, there's some gravel here at least. I'll take that with me. Ow! Oh! God, that one scares me. Thank you, Rose. Ba, 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 ba. Excusez-moi, excusez-moi. Arceus is pretty good. You guys just gotta smack Arceus. Also, Dimensional, if you want to attack, you gotta press 1, 2, or 3 in chat. You gotta type 1, 2, or 3. Water! It's your turn. The chat will ping you when it's your turn. Hell yeah! Alright, we're gonna go mining real quick. Mine diamonds. Oh shit, Australia. Hi, Anakin! What's up? I'm just getting some more materials. Yar! The chat's also doing a boss battle. Ow! Hey, back off. Guys, I'm gonna play another Kirby Kirby game on stream soon, I think. I was thinking of playing Squeak Squad, which is a game I haven't played in a while. I've played a lot of Kirby games, like at least 2. I want to do it again. Because they're really cute. They're really cute streams. So I think Squeak Squad is the next one to go to. Hell yeah. I hope everyone's doing good. Anakin, hope you're doing good today. On this fine, perfectly normal day. Arceus? What do you— oh, you got shields on.
I've had 12 cups of coffee and am ready to fight God. And oh ho ho, look who's here.
Get his ass! Oh, that's funny. Oh, there's my compass. Bye. Oh, kitty! Kitty cat! A cow! A cow! I love you. I love Cal. I love my mods. The sun is going down. We need to go back to the portal. What? I said I love you. I love my mods. Guys, we had like a big mod chat last night.
Did I get a Grand Slam combo off the 65 and up menu? These old rattlebones getting hungry.
We had a big mod chat last night, just, you know, discussing a certain today. It was so much fun!
Watch this. Hem, alakazam, gravity here is not the same.
Oh! Hey, yo! Thank you. Oh my god, Ikor, hi! How are you tonight? Or today, I guess. It's not quite nighttime for me. Bonk! Even in the upside down world, I can still be bonked. I woke up for the chat. You did! You had such a big sleepy. And Cora, I was in Hoon's stream yesterday, and I saw the froggy. You want a froggy, and oh my god, it's so cute. You got frogified. gonna skip in. There's a... What else is here? Ooh, sure. Sure! By the way, you guys, Animal Crossing does have their April Fool's event if you guys have not checked your Animal Crossing village like I haven't. It's been, it was 6 months since I checked my Animal Crossing and my villagers were crying, bruh. Hey, we fully suited up, let's go! Alright, chat, it's another time. At least, I'm pretty sure the event is, today. Because Blanca the cat, shows up. Right? Right, Dimensional? It's been so long. Also, this nether spawn, kinda doo-doo. We're gonna, kinda doo-doo brain. It is the night for me, but I wanted to drop by. Yes! Hell yeah! Well, I'm glad you could come by to this totally perfectly normal stream today. It's pretty chill. It's pretty chill. My villagers probably dead! I mean, they can take care of themselves. That's fine. Bro, what is this? What is this dog fucking spawn? Alright, I need to organize. Good lord, I'm so high up. Oh my god, look at all the lava spawning. Good lord. I see nothing wrong. Thank you. Thank you. That's what I'm saying. People keep telling me that they don't understand. I'm like, what don't you understand? It's a normal stream. It's a normal stream, bro. Oh! Ah! Ah! I guess I can't use my sad emotion. Great. That's fine. No sadness allowed, I guess. Yeah, I don't know. I pressed a button on my stream deck. Brought me to the end screen. We're not ending. I'm still speeding. What's on my mind? What the fuck is? Oh, that's Venju's feet. Ow. Okay. I'm thinking about Venju's feet, I guess. That's Venju's feet. Oh my goodness. Hey, we ain't ending yet. I'm just not allowed to be sad, I guess. I should probably change that. That happened last time too. Deacon! You guys need to keep just beating him up. Just literally hit him. Arceus is a pushover. You just need to hit him. Alright, I'm traveling, baby. We're in the nether. I've gotten to the nether a lot faster before, but I kind of wanted to get like super prepared. I'm going try hard, baby. Baby! It totally is, but I'm already out of the upside down. Hey, you know what? That's fair. I know there's a few other people in chat who, I'm sorry, what the fuck is this Kirby song? Holy shit. What is this? Okay, goddamn. It's Nightmare Wizard. 1992? Okay, fucking pop off, Kirby. Goddamn. Give me a sec, I'm trying to read. It's all backwards, I can't read. I don't know what you mean. I don't know what you mean. You look crazy. You're the crazy ones. Ow! Come here, sir. I just want the pearl. Leave me alone. Thank you. Oh, okay. No pearl. Thank you. Asshole. Come here, boy. Actually, you know what? This is pretty good. We spawned in the blue biome. Endermen do spawn in the blue biome. Bro, Kirby, pop off! Dude, I need to get this playlist. Or this, game playlist. Guys, hit the goddamn god. Smack him up. Smack him up, side to side. I should add some more. What if I got a custom boss made? I don't know how to do that, though. That's something I would have to, research and obviously get commissioned from Glacial. That could be cool. You guys could just, like, fight Mori or something. That could be honestly kind of funny. That's it. I'm opening Among Us. No! Horse Mogus? Anyone playing Horse Mogus later in the Discord? We're having a little Horse Mogus activity later. it! Hell yeah! There you guys go. Good job, team. Weiss, some of y'all are on fire, but that's okay. You guys got 500 gold! Fuck yeah. GG easy, baby. Oh, guys, there's a fortress! Big pog. By the way, if you guys want to use that gold, you can buy your own sharks. You guys can buy your own sharks. You can buy some different colors, different kinds. Or, you know what? You can gamble it all away. It's really up to you. Also, we got a bunch of gold. Well, a little bit of gold. We gotta start trading, because the next step is ender pearls. And I'm gonna get boots on so they don't kill me. Some safety boots. Weiss did do a bitch slap! Butcha! Y'all got him! That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna eat popcorn. Cal, you just live it. Oh! Ah! You're beating me too? Damn. Damn! Cal just eating popcorn, enjoying the show. Hey! Alright. Oh, there's another Enderman! Mr. Enderman! I could make a boat, but we do have our shield. We do have our shield. Can you believe it's already April? It's already April. That's 2 months, well, technically 3 months from my birthday right now. It's so weird. March literally did not exist. It's so weird. Movie theater popcorn. Dude, same! It's such a different vibe. And it's so different. Birthday! Shut the fuck, no it's not. Yeah! But, I'm gonna say this right now publicly. I don't know if I'll be able to actually do a stream on my birthday this year, which sucks. I have been able to do one for the past 2 years. But I've got some shit going on in June, so we'll see. I'm gonna do a birthday stream regardless, but probably just not on my birthday. My actual birthday is June 9th. June 9th. Oh, pearls! Oh, we got pearls! Until I age again. That's fine, you're good. Oh, I know. I know. It's just something, it's just like something I prefer because it's a lot more fun that way. You have midterms, Robin? Damn! That's right, it is midterm season. I guess like end of term season too. String, bro? Come on. Hey, there's a villager down here! I'm gonna kill this Enderman, I think. I need only a few more pearls. Just a few more. Just a couple more. Oh, sorry, I bumped the mic. Yes, good luck, Robin. Robin, I hope you don't have too many. Oh my god, there's so many sharks up and around Mori. That's so funny.
I just had to let you know you're
Weiss birthday. Oh. Wait, who redeemed the Minecraft noise? Dimensional! The Minecraft eating noise went at the exact same time as I ate that bread. Did you guys see that? Oh my god. I love Robobot! Is that the soundtrack? I don't think I played Kirby. Oh, it is. Yes! By the way, the 3DS based system. I still have my 3DS. I should do something with it. I should hack it. I don't do anything with it anymore. By the way, did everybody get their... Oh god, this one's loud. Did everybody get their Pokemon before the Nintendo 3DS shop shut down? Or did everybody save their Pokemons? Yeah, rest in peace, eShop. I have one midterm this Monday. Oh. Oh, are they like spread out, Robin? Or do you have it easy where they're kind of like one after the other? Because I know my sister, I think it was last year, she had like almost all of her midterms right the days within each other. And then she had her very last one like 2 weeks out. So I hope they're all like kind of close together for you. There's another Enderman. Cal is flying away. You can sling the avatars. That's what Cal's doing. You can like make them fly around. And I have a secret platform above my head where you guys can land. Oh, goodbye, Mr. Enderman. I don't know where the fuck he went. I'm nervous. Oh, there he is. Hello, sir. Oh, he dropped the block for me. How nice. Oh. Ow, there we go. Nice. Oh, no, it's like a... Oh!
Hack?
I
Don't
see.
you mean modified? Because we are law-abiding dependers, I swear. On God.
I mean, yeah, Mr. Nintendo. I would never hack my 3DS. Never. I don't know what you mean. It's a modify. By the way, you guys, where are my Tomodachi lovers in chat? New year for Nintendo means a new chance at Tomodachi. Smile, smile. New year for Tomodachi life, maybe. Yeah, bro, give me new Tomodachi life. You know how much potential they could fucking do now? I hope. I have so many hours in that game. Okay, we're trying to get down also. Please, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, I haven't touched my 3DS in like actual like years, but I would if they put it on Switch. Oh, just watch me. Watch me. I'll be on that all the time. Yeah, exactly, Prince. Fucking exactly. And then you can be gay. You can be gay. You can do anything in the new Tomodachi life. There's so much reach, and I believe that's what they said before too. There's so much potential. Please, please stop giving us remakes. Stop giving us remakes, Nintendo. I swear to God. It was so relaxing. It was. Bimesters. I've signed up for a minute of 3 class. Oh. Oh, okay, Robin. That's pretty good. Honestly, that's not terrible. The nether looks a little off. What do you mean? What do you mean this is fine? Not sure why. Weird. I mean, I do have my shaders off, Jet, just to help with rendering and also not lagging my stream. Yeah, I want to visit the islands. I want to visit the islands. Oh, you got it? What? You're on gravel? Oh, well, yeah, there's gravel in the nether. Oh. Pretty manageable. That's good then. At least it's not like fully stressful and stuff like that, right? You can be gay. Weiss, you added so many emojis that I went through every single one of those to get to the word gay. Guys, okay, give me new Tomodachi life. Give it so that we can go play with our friends or like visit them in real time. Oh, got a blast. Ooh, gaming a little. Give us like, yeah, we have that customization from Miitopia. You know? Bro, I just bit my finger and it's... Cal, what do you mean? Did you like you accidentally bit your finger? Oh, thank you. I cut my finger with a slap chop today. I told the Discord that, but I was trying to, we have a little like slap chop. It's not like an official slap chop, it's just like a kitchen tool slap chop.
It's better.
Is it?
I think so.
Have you ever used an actual slap chop?
Normal slap chops don't spin.
Yeah, they do. Do they not?
I don't think so.
Then how can you have an opinion?
I won't.
Wait, who is that? That's my partner, Dylan. That's Dylan. No, that's just my conscience. Cal, good night. The slap chop man. Cal, please, ma'am. Oh god, there's a guy right here. We're on the fortress. Cal, go get a band-aid. Oh my goodness. Who is that spooky voice? It's actually just my haunted apartment. I live with ghosts of many kinds. One of them being very very opinionated about the slap chop. I'll get a couple band-aids. Oh my god, Cal. Okay, I'm glad you're okay, man. But yeah, we have a tool that's like the slap chop, and I was trying to put it together today because we had to wash it, and I put it on backwards, and when I was trying to undo it, it slinged out, like, because it's spring-based. It slinged out and sliced the top of my finger. I'm fine, but it was relentless. It got back at me. Okay, the Wither Skeletons, not a big fan, but that's okay. Oh my god, hi Ace! April Fool Day! Hello, how are you? Welcome in. Guys, called Nukes 5, guys. Oh my god, demon. Demon, please! Back! Oh, thank god. Alright, oh, we have a really good spawn in here, actually. Oh, owie. Okay, that's not good. Use my shield for once. Cal, be safe, darling. I care about you. Nuke's top 5. If you guys don't know who Nuke's top 5 is, it's a spooky video uploader on YouTube. All right, give me that. We have 1 rod. I can't believe my finger. No, it's actually not that bad. It's okay. It was very surprising though. Cal's fine. She's fine. Average Cal day, you know? Come on now. I didn't lose a finger! About to watch Crystal Love. Ooh! Riley, have fun! Thanks for the lurk, D. D? Dear. I didn't finish my sentence. Thanks for the lurk! Appreciate you. I posted in the Discord. Ooh! Yes. Pure vibes. Alright. Alright, we have one rod. This is giving me epilepsy! No! Then don't watch! Hi, Frodo's. There are a lot of blazes here. Holy cow. Have mercy. Why are we upset? I don't know what you're talking about. This is a total normal stream. This is a totally normal stream. Ow! I gotta run away real quick. God damn. There's so many spawning. This is no good. Dubious little creatures. This is no good. Ephronos, I commit to a bit. I commit to a bit. I'll say that much. Robin, yes! Come here. Ah! How many is there? Oh god. Oh my god. Okay. Ow! Hello? Oh my god, there's some behind me too. Shit, this is hard. This is where I always trip up because the blazes are terrible. Okay, okay, got some down. Ah! The beast is demonic in nature. This is no good. It's the effort ever. I love me a good Fool's Day, I'll tell you that much. Woo! Okay, we almost have enough. Oh good, they kind of stopped spawning. Hey, back up! Back up, man! Oh! Nice. Ah! Oh my god, they do melee damage too. Get out! Shit. Okay, we're gonna eat for a second here. Okay, we have 12 blaze powder, which is technically enough. Okay. I'm just gonna do a little sneaky here. Damn, I can't believe they made a whole day after me. Oh my god, just for me! That's so funny. Ugh! I think we're gonna get a few more. There's not a lot even here right now. That's actually good. That's good news. Eat! Absorb! Absorb! Damn! No drops. No wonder Dream cheated. These things don't drop anything. Come on, man! Come on! By the way, you guys, if you are part of my Discord, we will be doing a watch party later tonight of these, I think it's what, the Super Smash Bros. Fan dub or something? I don't know. I don't know, Achan posted it, but we're doing a watch party later tonight, as well as playing the Among Us April Fool's update. So if that sounds delightful to you, I hope to see you there. Good morning, my finger, yay! Are we watching what? Robin, go look in the media channel. Achan posted a fan dub, and we're gonna have a watch party with it. Good night. Oh, good night, Cal. I'm leaving the Nether. This place sucks. This place blows. I love Cal. Hey, shout out to Morbid Lullaby for real though. Where did I come from? I need to leave. I'm all mismatched around. I'm staying, just disappointed in myself. No! Who hates their finger? Ow! Oh god, please no. Back up. Oh boy, oh boy. Your friend's not worse? Oh no, oh no. Oh no. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm sick of this place. Guys, we finished the blazes. That's good news. That's great news. Anyways, hold on. I need to download Adobe totally legally. Oh my god, have fun! Have so much fun! Oh, I'm getting shot at. Also, Robin, that's the only way to do it. I'm lucky enough to actually get an Adobe account from my job, which is, like, really good. Oh, by the way, you guys, if you're not in my Discord, a little bit of exciting IRL shark news. I got a raise at work. I got a pretty beefy raise at work on yesterday. And I'm very happy! Okay, we're getting back. We're getting the fuck out of here. Yeah! I'm very happy. Let's fucking go! Yippee! Yeah! Alright, we boogieing, baby. I hate this biome, but we're getting out. We getting out of here. Yippee! Yay! Weiss! Oh! That was close. BRB, yeah, no problemo. You Gucci. Hello? Why is there a spider in the Nether? Or is it hello? I don't need this mushroom. There we go. Be gone, piggy. Alright. I'm gonna do some more trading. Do a little bit more trading. I'm getting a little hungry. By the way, you guys, I don't plan on a long stream by any means. I can only force you guys to watch this for so long. Also, you guys don't even have to, you guys don't have to watch. Those who are staying, who've been here from the start of today, you the OG. You a real one? You a real one? I'm forcing you to watch me. Oh. Yeah, Cal? Yeah, that's not why I'm leaving. Robin, all good, all good. Have a good food. I need to get down here. We're gonna take a little bit of oh, no wait, we're good. We're okay. Welcome back! What do you mean by yeah? I don't know what you're talking about! I'm being actually Mod Cal doing her mod duties, I guess. I'm actually getting sick. Why? Stop watching! Just put it on like a podcast, you know? Okay, I still need... I gotta trade a bit more. I'm gonna either try trading out for ender pearls or I'm gonna kill enderman. Because there's both here. But we'll do some of this first. Oh god. Oh goodness. But Weiss, you're very sweet. You're very sweet. Please don't make yourself sick. This is a totally normal stream, you guys. This Enderman is booling around. Holy. If I don't keep watching, she's gonna use her mod privilege. Really? Oh. Damn! Wow, obsidian, thank you. Anyway, we're gonna do the... Oh my god, there's actually a lot of Endermen here. Where'd he go? Where'd... He left. Homeboy gone! I don't know where this... I hit it. Hello? Where did he go? Okay, anyway. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. That's crazy. This is just a regular stream. I'm sorry. I'm sorry if Minecraft makes you, a sicky. It's not my fault. Minecraft is a very motion game. Hi, pizza! Oh! That's my brain every day. Can we get a shout out for pizza, please? Pizza! What the fuck happened? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. What happened? Monkey! Monkey. Oh, God. How did it come to this? How you doing, Oh, pizza, welcome in. Welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Oh, gotta readjust my seat. Alright, well that guy's friend left, so I'm just gonna... Why do they keep leaving? This is so rude. This is so rude. Ba, 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 ba. Can one of the mods do that? Can one of the mods do an automod for me, please? Automod did not like the upside down word. That is so funny. Thank you, Prince. I don't know what you mean. This is a totally normal 1st of April day. It's April. We're chilling.
I can't really buy
Soda!
Fucking dumbass!
Cream soda. Hi, Bean. How are you? Thank you for the resub. You're very sweet.
Sharks 20 dance, sharks 20 dance, sharks 20 dance.
Welcome in. How are you tonight, Cream Soda? Hi. Can we get a shout out for Cream Soda too, please? I know. Cream Soda, you stream. You stream. Doing good, you know, just hanging out. Heck yeah. Well, thank you for the 7 months. Enjoy those emotes. I appreciate it. Appreciate you so much. Oh God, there's creatures here. Gotta run. Gotta blast. Ooh. We are also just chilling, as you can see. It's just an average Minecraft day. And I'm on good pace. Very tipper. Hey. Oh, we boogieing. Dude, why is Kirby music so fucking good? I'm discovering new music. Okay, we're going back to the portal. We're very close. The only issue is we spawned so high up. So we're just gonna get back over there. This stream is many things. Neurotypical is not one of them. I think I might be a little lost, but that's fine. If I remember where we're going. We're close. We're very close. Hold on. Let me... Ah! Cat! What's up, Cat? Welcome in, not a cat. How are you today? Sorry, water break. Cat, hola! How are you? Welcome in, friend. Woo! Sorry. Ugh. Oh boy. Oh boy. Alright, we got it! This is... What? What'd you say, my son? Guys, we made it out. We're gaming! We're gaming just a little bit. We could use more ender pearls, but I think we're fine. We're gonna take that risk. with bisque.
This stream is, perhaps, a little silly. You will never truly be able to tell.
What are you talking about? You're a little crazy. Roy, you're crazy. This stream is always silly. What do you mean? What are you on about? Oh god, oh, there's an Enderman here. That's actually good, since we are a bit low on pearls. I Domo. Yeah, I had that thought. I'm surprised a lot of people showed up today. I am very happy you're here. Alright, we're finding the portal now. Alright, well, the first one broke. That's fine. That's excellent. Cal! Cal hostile today. Teeth out and everything. Alright. We're vibing now. We are on the run. Don't kill! Dude, duel. You guys should duel. Duel it out. Duel it out. Fight! I don't know, smile. Hold on, what's that command? It's exclamation duel at a username. Yeah! Pizza! Thanks for the lyric. Appreciate it. Ooh, we have a broken portal. Maybe we get some goodies over here? Oh, they're dueling now, baby. Cat! You can't fight yourself! If you want to do that, Cat, you can do exclamation explode. Oh. You guys are actually pretty even. Oh no, but Cal got the ending hit. No! GG. Oh. Did Cat explode? I can't even tell. Classic Cal W. Damn! Alright, I'm gonna get some more material. Because God knows the goddamn end is awful.
Did I say?
Oh, now it's Weiss and Cal. There's some good battle music on right now, too. I'll take this gold block. Fuck it. Beep. Nice. That squid is dying. Goodbye, sir. Alright. Get those off of here. Yeah, I guess y'all are fighting now. Beep. Gamer. Alright. Oh, hi, zombie. Coming out for a stroll in the daytime, I guess? Okay. Weiss! Weiss taking the dub for $69. Shit! Comically large portal. Yeah, I mean, did you guys know that, I guess for people who who don't play Minecraft too often, you guys can make portals as big as you want now, hey? I'm swimming. Alright. Get me up here. That's so unfair. Cal has resulted to gambling, and she wins a jackpot! Damn! Okay! Speed run. Speed run. Damn, Cal. Cal! Hey, look at you go. Oh, where'd my water go? Hello? Okay. I get no water. The pee. It's normal pee. I haven't gotten to gamble lately. Ooh, you guys are going through the emotion today. Love that. Love that for y'all. Ted. Piggy. Good shit. Alright, what's the command to see the monies? Exclamation gold. The munners. Is this a different village? I don't know, I'm getting more bread. Hell yeah! There you go. We got a golden hoe too. Oh shit! Weiss is selecting targets. Going around. This is totally another village. Alright, what do we got? Horse armor! Great, that's mine. I don't know what to not take. Do we need the horse armor? I don't know. I don't fucking know. Okay. I hope iron crushes you. Whoa, Domo with the big money. Oh no, Domo! You lost it. Guys, this is the Mr. Beast song! It's the Mr. Beast song! Iron, you won! Let's go! It's the Mr. Beast song. And that's all I can think about now. That's all it is for me. That's my... Oh, goodbye, Golden Hoe. I have not lost any of these shark fights yet. Ooh! Alright, we're gonna kill this other golem.
Shark.
Oh! Gustavo and Brick. The rat. Weiss, oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. I'm getting prepared. I need one of these. I need I need some stuff though. I have no gravel. Look for a little. Okay, Cal, no problem. No problem. Alright. Where are we going? Where are we going? Want a duel? You guys are just fighting now. Iron is like, alright, which one of you want to fight me, huh? Huh? Is it you? Is it you? Who's it gonna be?
Huh?
Yeah, no problem, Domo. I enjoy the lurks very much. This isn't. It's like the Pizza Tower stream all over again. I'm sleepy. I don't know why. I slept in so late today. Like 11. You know what? If I check my watch real quick, it shows me 9 hours. Yeah, seems about right. $69? Hey, let's go. I like how you guys are doing the funny numbers for... I feel like whenever people duel, they always forget. They always forget that you can put money to it. 0 out of 10! Feel like you can't fight yourself. You gotta add other people. Hey! Lucky gravel, first try. That's fine. Give me that. Explode! Does the explode command work for other players? I don't know. You know what? Let me see if... I'm just gonna do a command for that. Maybe that will work. I can't even... it's hard. I can't even see. I can't even see. Oh my god! Iron is on a roll! Holy shit! Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm OP. Iron just has like the supercharged shark. I love that. Oh! Cat wants to duel Iron for $1. $1! The $1 battle. The $1 duel. Alright, we can get some stuff going here. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah, I think I will play. I think I will. Oh, I need arrows! One of you, come get a job. Those are all the bad villagers. None of these villagers want to... So, if you guys don't know, the villagers who are wearing green, they're called like the village clown or something, and they will never get a job. Gotta go destroy another table or something. Cat! Cat won! Let's go! Hell yeah! For $1. I love that. Fuck yeah, baby. Cat W! Oh, here we go. Okay, I need arrows. We're getting real prepped for this stream. Super prepped. Hello? It still says I can... Alright, we're good. Six emeralds. I did not pick up that. Wait, yeah. God, my inventory is such a mess. The win streak ends for $1. The $1 duel. Alright, I'm gonna get some more... Get some more gems. You, sir, I must wake you from your slumber. Sorry. There we go. Get a few more. I have too much blood on my hands. Ah, I love that emote. Look at that. That's great. Oh, some more wheat for you, sir, if you will. All right, I think that's it. I need the Fletcher villager. Hey, Prince won the jump game. Nothing in here. Dude, I love all the Smash Kirby remixes so much. They're so good. I'm going out for dinner later, right after this stream actually. So as soon as we're done this Minecraft stuff, I'm pretty much gonna hop off. Again, I didn't plan to stream for so goddamn long because reasons of this normal stream being the way it is. Yeah. Whoop! Alley-oop! Alright. We're almost there. I think we'll see. It depends. I need one of these people. I need one of these guys to have a job. You, sir, please come this way. You're the wrong guy. No one wants to have. Everyone's jobless. Nobody wants to work. I need that one. Where did he go? There was one that could do it. Thanks for the third dimensional. Appreciate it. Okay, get you. You jobless. You. There's one. Yeah, you. Be this. Do this. Yes. Finally. How to beat me in a duel? $1. Bet the least amount of money. 1 doubloon. All right, sick. Look at all those arrows. God damn. 3 stacks. That's what I'm talking about. This man is in my face. Hello, sir. Okay, get these. There we go. Get these out of here. Perfect. Did you guys know that the doubloon meme? I saw the doubloon meme coming back. I saw it on TikTok again. Because it was a trend. It was like a trend with that cat. You get 20 doubloons! Or you're getting robbed! Stuff like that. Good TikTok trend. Good TikTok trend. I saw it come back. I saw it coming back on TikTok again. It's a good meme. It's a good meme. Rarely have 0 doubloons? Ooh. Get doubloon! Wait, what if I try to do slots? I don't know how much money I have, but let's just do 1,000 for funds. I lost all my doubloons in the divorce! No! No! Oh my god, I won! Besties, I won. Well, how much did I win? Oh, shit! I want a little extra. Okay, word. Alright, let me grab my water. Boogie woogie. Okay. Rigged? What do you mean? Fine. Here, watch this. Quickly type this in. We'll do 2,000. Hello? My watch is telling me to stand up. I will not. Oh! Ah! Oh god. Thank you. Thank you for the blast. Oh, I won again. I swear this isn't rigged. Oh my. Oh. I swear. I swear. I promise. Alright, we're running now. We're running for a little bit. Okay, wait, let me skip ahead. Like a villager would say. Ah! Thank you, Weiss. Hey! What's the big idea? Huh? Why are you booming? The rich is getting richer. Here, rarely? Fine. Fine. Fine, hold on. If I do this, does this work? Is that how I do it? Or is it? Oh, wait! I think it's this. We're just gonna run around for a little. Is that not how I do it? Maybe not. There's another guy in here. Oh, there's guys here though too. Are they fighting each other? I don't remember the command. Wait, I do remember suddenly. I think. I might be wrong. No, I'm silly. I have no idea how the command works. I forget. Sorry, Rarely. You are still poor. For now. Gaming! Boink. Alright, I'm out of here. I just released the golem on the guys. Release the golem! Freedom! Oh, Wise, thank you. Thank you for sure. I was close, I just was not doing the right amount. Rarely, there you go. Smile! Banana! Wait, feline. Oh, feline, you won! Cat, you won! Let's go. Oh, we have a sunken ship. This could give us some good stuff. Kirby music is so base. Free money. What the hell? Oh, this is not. Okay, well, shit.
Shark.
Hey, there we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Fruit by the foot. I love it. There's nothing in there. No, get out of that. Get out of here. By the way, you guys, we have some fun streams coming next week. Tuesday, we're doing a collab of Sea of Thieves. I'm really excited. Gonna be setting that up. Not on my channel, but that will be happening. And then we have... oh, I will be actually doing 2 collabs. Oh, I just remembered. I'm doing a birthday collab on Saturday. So we got 2 Saturday streams, except it won't be on my channel too. There's gonna be a single stream on my channel next week. It'll be on Thursday. Bees! There's bees. But regardless, I'm very excited. Bee. Alright. Okay. So we're just gonna look for the portal. We're gonna look for the stronghold is what it's called. We're gonna go look for our stronghold. What does that say? Mr. Beast? Oh god. There's so much emojis! Mr. Beast! Hey! Hey! I can't believe you. Beans! Motherfucking beans! Yeah! Hey! Alright, we got some good vantage point. Let's release the pearl. Okay, we're going this way. Mr. Bees?! Oh! Thank you. Thank you for the biddies, Wise. The Mr. Beast bitties. Is there any portal down there? I feel like we're getting close. It's gonna be in one of these ravines. Whee! If anything. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, fuck, that was close! We're nearing. If it's like even visible at all, that would be helpful, but probably not. Mr. Biddies! Yeah, exactly. The Mr. Beast Biddies. That's what I'm saying. Go it! That's what I'm saying. Alright. Thank you for the biddies. I love that redeem. Funny. It was good. That was good timing again too, because I said Mr. Bees. Alright. I'm a little turned around. I just hope we have enough pearls, because we only have 9, and there's a chance of the portal spawning with all pearls gone. So, we'll see. We'll see about that. All right, vantage point. I gotta heal up a little. That took a tumble. Where are we going? Where are we dropping? Okay, it's leading me this way. Bless, it did not break. Give me that. Do-da, do-da, whoop. Hope everyone's still doing good today. Thanks for showing up. Oh my god, Rune! Hi! Runa, what do you mean? They're not upside down. Wow. No. I think your Twitch is glitching out. I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, can we get a big old shut up for Runex, please? Please and thank you. Unless the mods are sleeping. Otherwise, Rune, how are you? No! No, silly bean. Haha, thank you, thank you. How are you, D? B? I'm just gaming. How are you doing? Everybody go follow Runex right now. Hi! Oh, shit. Weiss, I can barely read that. Okay, Rune, fuck. I love your little smooch nuzzle emote so much. It's so cute. Oh, we made it! Guys, we made it to the stronghold. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. Blow up, I dare you.
Let's go.
I love it! Yeah. Oh my god, there's so many creatures down here. Holy shit! Excuse me, coming through. Bye. Diamonds! I put the diamonds away. Okay, god. Oh my god, the girls are fighting. Oh! Let's go! Oh my god, please, leave me alone! Oh, fuck. Good lord. Whoop. There we go. Okay. Hello? I want so many people to have them as if they... Woo! Yes, Rune, if you do. I want Dwayne. I would pay. I would pay. Dingle Noodle. Dingle Noodle, thanks for the follow. Welcome to my normal stream. Nether time? Weiss, we're not in the nether. We're in the stronghold. Oh my god! By the way, Rune, Cadenza was here earlier, but I got to watch a little bit of their new outfit debut, which was amazing. It was so good. Ow! Excuse me? Where did you get that shovel? We're in the nether. You're not- oh, okay. I'm not seeing straight? I hope not. Impossible. Weiss is confused? Nah. I think Weiss is just, I think Weiss's, VOD is just, it has a lot of lag. Yeah, same, Rune, same. I was only there for, like a reveal, like, just briefly. Because I had to, I was making breakfast. But yeah. Haircut day, though! That's pog. I'm lost as fuck. I need to find the portal. Good lord. It's a good music. We're kind of running around like crazies right now. Yeah! Alright, let me out of here. We're very close. We're in the stronghold. That's all that matters. Okay. Give me that. Okay, good. There's nothing down here. Pfft, great. I hate the stronghold so much. You gotta get lucky. Or you're just running around like a maniac. Half my head is shaved, so- Bro! Oh my god. I've honestly low-key always wanted to do that. I wanted to get a- what is it called? What is that cut called? I can't remember. Either way, I know what you mean. I just don't know the area name. Oh, Weiss, that's fine. You're Gucci. This is the stronghold. This is where the end portal is. Alright, we're gonna run around a little more. I love all of these variations of the superstar sound. Very funny. I'm digging it. Hey, this is good. This is good. Oh, fuck. It's just a torch. Cool. Do it! Bro, I think I want to at the back of my head in the summer. I'm digging these Kirby tunes, bro. Hello? Oh. Oh, I know it. Kirby music. Oh, there we go. To be honest, you put on some more effort into your look. Yee! Absolutely! I was thinking about doing it in the back of my head, like kind of just an area in the back in the summertime, because my hair is thick. My hair is so thick, so if I had a shaved area, I think that would be fun. Cries in male pattern. No! Bald eggs. No! No, for real, you guys. When I get my model update, I'm gonna have a toggle to go bald mode. Cause you know, we do have, what the fuck is that emote called? What is that? Is it this? Yeah! We made it! Guys, we found the portal. Thank fuck. Alright. You can be Walter White. Are you kidding me? Oh, we need one more. Guys, we need one more pearl. Fuck. I love Kirby. Stop! Oh, wait, we're okay? Oh, wait, that's right. We already killed an Enderman. Guys, we're pogging. We're pogging. I forgot I got one more. Hey! Hey! We're fine! It's gamer time. D&D time! Yo, Jenkins, have a good time. May all of your rolls be high. Thank you for chilling, dude. Okay, we're gonna make a secret box, just in case, because I've died in the end fight before. Walter Hardshell White. Oh boy. Hello, sir. Alright. It's time. It's time! Oh my god, hi Sam! I don't know what you're talking about. My brain? Can we get a shout out for Sam, please? We're in the end! Alright, it's fight time. It is fight time. How are you doing, Sam? Welcome in. My brain is being scratched so good right now. Dude, the Kirby, Dude, the Kirby soundtrack is so fucking good. I'm listening to like a giant remix, not remix, a giant playlist of just every Kirby game OST. I'm gonna turn it up a little bit while we fight. Hi Sam, how are you today? Alright. We have a lot of arrows. We don't really gotta worry about it. We're gonna get all of the healing ports as soon as we can here. And we gotta watch out for the dragon's breath. I'm doing better. Hope the blood in your head is okay. What do you mean? I'm fine. I'm totally cool. I'm glad you're doing good. Hell yeah. The music sounded very earthbound. It kinda did, didn't it? Dragon! Alright, we can do this sneaky way. Perfect. Just don't look at the Enderman. That's fine. I just looked at an Enderman. Yeah! Exactly, ya boy! Ah, run! Welcome in. Ooh, gotta take care of this Enderman. Get out of here! You're distracting me! There we go. Blood going straight to your head? Oh no, brain aneurysm. Oh, it's fine. Okay, we almost got them all. Let me just make sure we get the caged ones. Nice! Easy. Oh! Watch out! Or did we get them all? No, there's like one more. Okay, excellent. Magpies! Oh, don't you worry. There's tons of magpies in Canada. Like, tons of them. I know what you mean. Sid is just big braining for the speed run. Exactly. I even have a dream skin on, you know? You have to play the part. Okay. Is there just one left? I think there is. There's just a single one left. Ow! Okay, that's gonna deal with you. Oh god! Okay, this is getting really intense! No! fuck. No! Okay, come on, no, it's okay, it's okay. We have time. We have time, we have time. It's fine. We have this chest here for a reason. Stop trying to convince me otherwise. It's real! Stand my promise! Okay, where's my shit? Where's my shit? Where did I die? Drayden, hi! Welcome to the stream. The completely normal stream that is happening right now. Oh shit, I gotta be careful. I gotta be real careful. Dude, this shit is blocking all my stuff. How long does it last? There we go. Okay, I got almost everything. Oh, she's also perching. Get my shit here. Oh, goodbye. I get hello. Oh, there's a weird visual glitch happening. Okay, we're still hitting her. That's all that matters. Oh God. Yes, I do. I just said I have a dream skin on to play the role. There's one more cube left. I'm pretty sure I can hit this. I need my water back too. I can't get down. I have the upper ground. Actually, oh, you know what? We can't use this pearl. Oh! There's an Enderman that is also not happy with me. Yeah, I gotta start screaming like him. Let's go! God. Oh God. There are, what, is there 2 Endermen after me? Great. I need to eat. Eat! Angry, angry. Ow! Oh my God, please, bro. I gotta run! I gotta, ah! Oh no! Wait, the magic! Fuck. Oh wait, my helmet's here. Okay. Another one, another one. We're still good. We're still good. That's the second time the magic has gotten me. Shit. It's always the dragon fight's hard, especially ever since they gave her that magic, the breath. That shit sucks. Oh, I need to get rid of that. Oh my God, she keeps shooting him. Ow! Ow! I got 2 hats. Excellent. I just gotta wait for it to disperse. There we go. Okay. Give me that. Okay. Get my shit back. Oh God. Ma'am! Ma'am, please. Oh! Okay. I need to bread. I need to eat, bro. We got plenty of time. Give me my water back. That's important. Okay, get some hits off. If the game would let me. There we go. That's a beefy damage. That's good. Okay, I'm gonna restock. Gonna wait till she comes back. Okay. There's still one more beam though. That's an issue. I think it's one of these. One of them. Ooh, we got time before she perches again. She's shooting. That's fine. Do massive damage to the dragon. Hey! Hey! Oh. Damn, I need to get closer. I'm pretty sure it's that one. Right? Oh God, I'm sorry, sir. The band-aid is falling off my finger. This is really bad timing. Where is he? There he is. Please! Please! There we go. She's actually not healing. Oh, goodbye. No render distance for me. Is she doing it? Is she coming down? She's doing a lot of wiggling. Yep, she's coming down. Whew! Hi, Wise. Are you reacting to Rune? God, where's her head? Here we go. Woo! That's a good one. Damn it, she's up again. My dragon won't wiggle wiggle. She shakes. Yes. Alright, get some pot shots off on her. Come back here, ma'am. She's almost there! Are you, no, vegan, what are you talking about? This is completely normal. I'm not sure what you mean. I don't know what you're talking about. Blog! What's up, Blog? Hello! Let's sit play. I can barely read that. Blog, hello! How are you? Can we get a shout out for Blog, please? Thank you! Guys, she did! We did it! She's dead. She died. Well, wasn't that good? Wasn't that great? Alright, I think it's time to end. What do you guys think? It's time to go. It's time to go. I did such a good job. Totally beat the game today. Guys, I pizza towered you. Once again. I wasn't playing the game. I continue to be gaslighting. I wasn't playing the whole time, chat. Hey, I deserve that. Anyway. I got you again! I got you again! Oh my god. Oh, you son.
Honestly, you were lucky, mother. When people asked if you had a dream skin, the video opened the inventory to show it.
Yeah. Yeah, I know it did, and that's why I said that I changed it to the beginning of stream. Ow! Don't y'all love me? I love you, chat. All right. I do hope you enjoyed this stream. Ow! Ha! They're going to add the gaslighting. I can get rid of this now too. I don't need this pinned anymore. Oh my god. Well, that's the stream. Ow! I totally beat the game.
Stop! Why? I get it. I always catch you fucking watching this sick shit. This is sickening.
Thank you for the biddies. Oh, I wasn't playing the game at all. I was watching a video of a speedrun and commentating that. I'm pretty good at that. This is the last time I'll do this to you, I promise. I had to. Listen, we were in the mod chat last night. And one of my mods was like, Sid, what if you just put on a fucking video? Fucking liar. One of my mods was like, Sid, what if you just put a video on instead of actually playing Minecraft? And I was like, you goddamn fucking genius, I'm gonna do that. Ow! Who was it? It was Venji. Is Sid even a true gamer? No. You guys should know this by now. I've never beaten Minecraft on stream, ever. I was not gonna do it today. But I do have to get going, though. Oh, I'm so happy y'all enjoyed it. I am dumb. No, you're not. You're not dumb. It was, I'm glad it was very, I'm glad nobody caught on. You know who did catch on? Cat did. Feline Creature in chat. They're like, watch Sid actually not be playing this entire time. Cole! Oh my god, hi Cole! How's Cole today? I thought you were a fucking gamer! Listen, I am a gamer, okay? But on any day but today. Video... Cole is good. Good weekend. Yay! That's great to hear. I never trust again. Please. April Fools. April Fools. Okay, we're gonna do a raid, but I'm just making up the raid message right now. Perfect. Perfect! No, but no! No, please! I'm sorry. Alright, you guys, we are gonna go raid somebody because I do have to get going right away, but thank you so much for joining me today. I hope this stream was fun. I hope you enjoyed it being as silly as it is. I had a lot of fun doing this. Thank you, Cole. You too, dude. You have a good rest of your day as well. Alright, let's see who's online. It's okay to be... I hope the raid message is upside down. Oh, it is. Oh, it's gonna be Sam. It is. I am absolutely... Yes, it is. I'm glad I caught the tail end. I'd never tried. That's fine. That's okay. Oh, goodness gracious. Alright, I'm seeing who's online right now that we can give a good raid to. Oh, I'm so sleepy now. I gotta go out for dinner. Okay, let's see who's online. Oh! Goodness me. I'm trying to see some more silly streams online because it is still April Fools. Leaving this lying community. No! It wasn't the community's fault. It's me. I'm the problem. All right. I'm just seeing who's online. Oh my god, hi HN. You just missed the whole stream. We're ending. Next thing you know, Sid is gonna say she's not actually a shot. Oh god. Alright, we're gonna go raid Coda Blinky today. There's not a lot of other people online I want to raid. So we're gonna go raid Coda tonight. Coda's doing some silly drawings. Silly drawing stream.
It's not night, it's 6.
It's still in the PM! Alright, you guys, here's our raid message for today. And then I'm gonna get moving. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do Shark-Sided Stare. We're gonna do this. Oh, did I not copy my raid message? Hold on. Oh, I didn't. Alright, we're gonna do this as the raid message. Here's our raid message. Totally normal shark raid. And we're gonna go raid Coda. Thank you for joining me tonight, everybody. I hope you had fun. I hope you were fooled. Because that's the whole point of today. Thank you so much for the gifted, the subs, the biddies, the follows. I had a lot of fun tonight. You guys are banger. Also, if you don't have my emotes, just use your own stuff. I will see you guys next week. We're doing some collabs. And it's gonna be a fun week. I carry on very much. Thank you so much. We're gonna go raid Coda tonight. Make sure to give him a big old follow and a bunch of love. And I will see you guys next week. I gotta run, so thank you for joining me today. Wait, Sid, what? You didn't get raided, right? No, I didn't get raided today. I can exit with the raid video, though, if you want. I'll see y'all later. Thank you so much. If you're not part of the Discord already, I can't even spell. That's how fucked up I am right now. And check out all my other stuff. I love y'all very much. Thank you. Robin, what do you mean? What do you mean? Huh? I have raids turned off. Who would have been so bad? It would have been so silly. It would have been so silly. Yeah. All right. Thank you all very much. I appreciate you all so much. I will see you all next time. Good night. Goodbye. We're going to give love to Coda. See you next time, chat. Take care of yourselves. Take care of others. And always remember, it is free to be kind. Bye.